Probably one of the last trips in this old girl. I gotta finish that up. Just listen to it. It's up on the fast idle cam. How's our AC feeling, girl?
Pretty good.
Alright, don't back into my truck behind you.
There we go.
Tell you what, it's a shame to get rid of this truck. That AC is blowing cold. What does it say here? It says 64, but sure feels colder than that. On this side, it reads about 48 or so. That's pretty good. It's like 85 degrees out there. Look at it, ain't it beautiful? Hotter than blazes already, ain't even June. You like this truck, don't you? Yeah. Too bad we're sailing it. There's gonna be cotton growing in them fields for long. So pretty. It's kind of fitting. It's the last ride in the old brown truck, probably, before it goes to its new house. Oh, look at her. She's doing so good. Hey, what happened to the front wheel? Oh my goodness, we gotta get out of here. It's getting hot already. Whew, it's hotter than blazes out there. 76 in here. Suppose I ought to clean my workbench off. Well, maybe. I gotta work outside, so I'm gonna let the sun ease down a little bit in the sky, a little bit more, before I go out there, so I can get in the shade by the garage. I think Mrs. Heavy Chevy's gonna come up here and work on something. Maybe, we'll see. And I got the air conditioning on already. It ain't even May. I mean June. It is May. It's not June. I forgot what month it is, for Pete's sake. You know, it might be possible that I suffer from ADHD like 63 Impala does. I brought this truck up here to finish up the bodywork right there and paint it. But when I was backing it up here, I remembered, you know, the gas pedal pushes awful hard. I need to see why that is. And then I noticed a vacuum leak on the P2V valve. So now I need to tune the carburetor a little bit better. And I ain't hit a lick on my little patch here that needs some body work. But that's okay. It's all got to be done. Alright, she's idling happily now. The throttle was so hard because this cable is difficult to move. I'm not sure why. It looks okay. It must be sprayed in the inside or something. Anyways, I pulled the one off that truck right there. This truck is going away next weekend, so I don't have time for shopping for a whole bunch of parts. So if I gotta rob it off that one, so be it. This is going to a family member, so I wanna make sure she's good to go. Going to an 86-year-old man. Make sure I don't have nothing stupid that's gonna cause him trouble. I think we're good. Alright, now let's see if I can get back to what brought me up here. Well, that stuff went off quick. It's hot. I had to throw away 2 cans I went to first that were open before. They weren't no good. I had to open a fresh can.
Uh-oh. Of the hardener or of the...
Hey, that was pretty good, wasn't it? Alright, I'll have to edit that part out. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They already don't like the gum smacking. Don't worry, I'm with y'all on that.
I'm done gun smacking. To edit that part out too.
What?
About the gun smacking.
Oh, why?
Because nobody cares about that. Ain't nobody got time for that. They don't care that I'm jonesing real bad because I haven't had dip in a month and a half.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay? They don't really care.
Okay.
So there's no use to bring it up.
Okay.
Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right then. I don't know why you keep going on and on about it.
You're the one going on and on.
Oh. Well, you can see there, I got a high spot, a little high spot, and a low spot, and a little low spot. So I need to add some Bondo. Well, we applied another Skims coat. And if I did my work right, it'll be the last coat that is needed. I'll be able to knock it down a little bit of 80, smooth it up with some more 180, with some 180, and then maybe a little 320, and then spray some primer on it, and then let that dry, and sand it some more, and then paint it. At least that's the plan. Sounds like a lot of sanding, don't it? We're sanding with a little 180 here on a block, and we're getting close. See, I got a little low spot right there, and it's a little high right in here, but it's coming. And that's what I'm using, 3M lightweight filler. I don't know what them other words under that says. Probably French and something else. But I don't need those languages, at least right now. So I'm just going to keep sanding in English. I had to go get my little round sanding block so I can get in there good. Anyways, I'm about ready to put some primer on this as soon as I cover up that piece of chrome. I think it'll be okay for a backyard body man. Well, while the little man's sitting here and we're talking about old times, I've been spraying primer. And yes, I did use a rattle can. Think less of me, if you will. Alright, now we gotta pick up our mess. We're done for the day. Alright, now we're done. We gotta pick up our mess, go in the house, get cleaned up. Probably take a shower. It is hotter than blazes out here. I don't know who said it could get this hot in May, but that's what happened. And it's just the way it is, so we'll have to deal with it. So maybe one night this week, I gotta one night this week get that painted. Little man's changing the oil in his little motorcycle, and I gotta hurry up and paint this. And what I'm gonna use to paint this is you go to paint store, and they can make you up a spray can and acrylic enamel aerosol, the paint coat of your vehicle, which is just wonderful. So that's what I'm going to use to paint this thing. The masking job leaves a little bit desired, but it'll be okay. There's the first coat. You can see through it a little bit, but I think another coat will get it. You can see where I got a little divot right there and one right there. But usually that'd bug me, but this is not a perfect paint job in a perfect environment on a perfect show truck. It's just pretty nice, and now there ain't no more rust hole. So I think it'll be good. Alright, there it is, painted. I think it looks okay. I put it on a little dry. I don't want it too glossy, because that ain't too glossy. But it'll be okay. Alright, let me help the little man out here. What you got? Well, you can't check oil holding the dipstick upside down. You know why?
Yeah.
Because the oil runs down and it'll fool you. So stab it back in there one more time.